So all cell phones in the city are shut off. No one's allowed in or out of Manhattan right now.
I came out this morning and only one of the towers was hit.
Yeah, well,
and I watched on the news giant jumbo jet crash very intentionally into the
air. Everything's going to be so crowded.
And the Pentagon was
I think I'm just going to feel so easy.
So right at 9 o'clock when people are at work.
It's quiet.
Yeah, it was like the first one was at like 10 to 9.
Yeah, the funny was
I walked by, I was walking by. They both hit. Something's coming out. Something's coming out.
See that? Oh my God. The whole building is
Yep.
Yeah, whole top fell.
I don't know.
God! Oh my God, look at that explosion!
All eyes looked towards the sky. It was the most surreal scene I have ever seen. I cannot describe what took place. The building literally just like as if it was in slow motion.
Look at all that explosion going up the whole downtown.
Manhattan, sending up a humongous cloud filled with debris.
Is that going to come this way?
Started running from lower Manhattan.
Good.
So what should we do?
I don't think it'll reach this far.
Well, even if it does, I don't know what we would do.
That's probably what they tried to do.
Why did the whole thing collapse? They must have done something.
That plane, a giant 747
It was a full-size plane?
Full-size 747 jumbo jet went full speed directly into the center.
Are you sure? Because I
watched
it here, and it looked small to me.
Sounds like a plane. That's a fucking fighter plane. About time the fucking Air Force got here.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
Jesus.
I know. I feel surprised. Like,
There's definitely going to be a war.
This is perhaps the most horrific sight anyone could have witnessed in a lifetime. I cannot believe my eyes, and I am still in shock as to what I witnessed just moments ago.
Absolute, incomprehensible mayhem.
A lot of people were breaking down and crying.
The fire continues to burn. I can see the flames through the thick smoke.
Yeah.
Now people are gathering in large groups. In fact, in one corner, I saw a group of people actually holding hands and praying. As I stand on the Manhattan Bridge, which is closed, it is open to pedestrian traffic. Some people are working across, but there's just no way for them to. As I look at it, something is. I can't. It looks like that building is going. Is that the building going down? Is that the second building of the World Trade Center going down?
Yes, that is the second tower. That is the second tower.
It's a huge flow of smoke that came out of the middle of the building, and then the building just disappeared into the smoke.
That is the second building that has gone down. It came out like a plume of smoke, like a banana unpeeling. Plumes of smoke coming out, and then absolutely nothing. And now where there were two huge buildings, two huge towers, there is now nothing.
It was pandemonium.
Absolutely unbelievable morning.
People began screaming. The building began crumbling, and what we saw on the street was nothing short of what you would see in a nuclear winter.
Clearly, we're in the middle of the worst ever act of terrorism directed at the United States on domestic soil. The Democratic Front for the Liberation of Palestine is claiming responsibility for today's bombings.
What?
However, Fox News cautions that the Israeli government sources believe Osama bin Laden is in fact responsible.
Obviously, violence and these kind of attacks don't really solve the problem. I think that everyone needs to really sit down and talk about what the issues really are and come to some kind of peaceful settlement of all these issues.
As horrible as this day will be, and the tragedy that will go down in history as one of the worst days in this country's history, one thing has to be said: people of all races, nationalities, sexes stopped to help people who needed help. It was an unbelievable display of humanity.